Hi. Hello. Welcome back to Canada Uncle English. 30 basic English phrases you'll use over and over. Number one, thanks so much. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for the birthday money. Thanks so much for driving me home. Number two, I really appreciate. I really appreciate your help. Thanks so much for cooking dinner. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. I really appreciate you cooking dinner. Three, excuse me. Excuse me, sir. You dropped your wallet. Excuse me. Do you know what time it is? Four, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being so late. I'm sorry for the mess. I wasn't expecting anyone today. I'm really sorry I didn't invite you to the party. What do you think? Five. What do you think? Are you thinking? What do you think? I'm asking you a question. What do you think? Six. How does that sound? How does that sound? We could have dinner at 6 and then go to a movie. How does that sound? Let's hire a band to play music and Brent can photograph the event. How does that sound? Is it a good idea? That sounds great. Yes, a good idea. That sounds great. Okay lah. My mom is baking cookies this afternoon. We could go to my house and eat some. How does that sound? That sounds great. 8. Oh, never mind. No. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Are you going to the grocery store today? No, I'm not. But why? Do you need something? Oh, never mind. It's okay. I'll go tomorrow. I'm learning English. My name is Sophie. I'm learning English. My name is Peter. I'm learning English. 10. I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. What? I don't understand. 11. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you please repeat that? Say it again. Could you repeat that, please? 12. Could you please talk slower? Could you please talk slower? You can give us a call any weekday from 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. at 555-2508, extension 33. I'm sorry. Could you please talk slower? Could you please talk slower? 13. Thank you. That helps a lot. Thank you. Ben, could you please make the font bigger? It's hard for me to read the words. Sure, I'll change it from size 10 to 16. How's this? Ah, thank you. That helps a lot. Thank you for helping me. That helps a lot. 14. What does this mean? What does this mean? I don't know. What does this mean? I don't know. What does this mean? 15. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? Could you spell that for me? My name is Roberta Handkerchief. Oh, how do you spell that? How do you spell that? Could you spell that for me? 16. What do you mean? What do you mean? I don't know. What do you mean? The Smiths do have a really nice house, but the grass is always greener on the other side. What do you mean? I don't know. What do you mean? Hi, I'm Peter. And you? Hi, I'm Rebecca. And you? What is your name? Hi, I'm Peter. What is your name? Hi, I'm Peter. And you? Hi, I'm Peter. And you? Hi, I'm Peter. What's your name? 18. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hi, Rebecca. I'm Chad. Nice to meet you, Chad. Nice to meet you, too. Nice to meet you. 19. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Spain. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do, Kathleen? I work at the university as a financial specialist. What do you do? I work every day. What do you do? 21. What do you like to do? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? So, Kathleen, what do you like to do in your free time? Oh, I love to read and to garden. I picked 2 buckets of tomatoes last week. 22. What's your phone number? Can I get your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Can I get your phone number? 23. Do you have Facebook? Let's keep in touch. Do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook? 24. How can I help you? How can I help you? If you work in customer service, you will use this phrase a lot. It's like a common phrase when answering the phone. Hello, this is Peter speaking. How can I help you? Hi, how can I help you? 25. I'll be with you in a moment. Just wait. I will be with you in a moment. I'll be with you in a moment. Thank you. I will be with you in a moment. 26. What time is our meeting? What time is our meeting? You can use this question to ask the time of an event. What time is the party? What time is our meeting? What time is our appointment? What time is it? 27. Please call me back at my phone number. Please call me back. Okay? Please call me back. Okay? Call me back. Please. Please call me back. 28. Oh, really? Actually, I thought. So Sam's coming in tonight at 8 o'clock, right? Actually, I thought he wasn't working at all this week. Oh, okay. I'll have to look at the schedule again. Actually, I thought it was yesterday. Oh, sorry. Actually, I thought it was yesterday. 29. Actually, I want to go to the store. Actually, I want to go to the store. Actually, I was thinking I would rather go to the store. Actually, I would rather go to the store. Did you finish the reports? Actually, I'm running a bit behind, but they'll be done by noon. When you type, always put two spaces between sentences. Actually, I learned to put a single space between sentences. I'm about to, I'm just about to send those faxes. I'm just about to send those faxes. I'm about to go to the store and pick up some coffee. Do you want anything? I'm about. I'm just about to send those. I'm ready to go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm just about to send those faxes. I'm just about to go and pick up some coffee. Do you want anything? Happy learning. Thank you very much. Bye.